This is the class. Yes. Hello there, guys. This is the class 45. Actually, my first time seeing it. This is a Paddington Bear. Where's come on, do the horn where you dub the horn. I like it. Oh wait, did that person get to go inside the carriage? Actually, this is my first time seeing a steam train. I've seen them before, but not in person. I want to work for a heritage railway company one day. Yeah.
Run down to 7. In about 9.
This is the West Somerset Railway. Well, this train is called the West Somerset Railway.
Yeah.
Go on, mate, do the horn. Go on, mate, do the horn. Thank you. You think to mate, do the horn when you're going out. Go on, mate, if you're going out, do the horn. Bunny, bunny, oh, bunny. Get my phone. Oh! We're trying to fit it for me. Go on, mate, if you did a horn, I'll make a YouTube video about it. Go on, mate, do the horn when you're going out. Excellent. Nicely, the mate has been trying. Come on. It's a diesel mum at the end.
Alright, oh, thank you. Good to know that. So when it's gone out, better to sort of play in
There's the coal in there. They're called firemen. Those men who put. If you put the coal inside, if you have these trains, you have to put the coal. You have to keep putting the coal inside the engine, inside the engine to make it work. If you don't put the coal inside the engine to make it work, then it won't move. Because it's one of these trains, like water steam.
Cheers. Spanner on there, I assume, is it?
You can't get too close to the edge. Like, it's a very dangerous job. You be careful. Because if you put the wrong amount or too much, it might explode. An explosion can cause it to actually break. I've not got the pleasure to actually go in this train yet, but I have had Wait, we're gonna wear. I'm gonna try filming this as well on that one. I'm so sorry that my friend couldn't come here today because he had to go on holiday. You can appreciate this nice video. This is the class 45 or full currency number, class 45596, and it's the Bamford. Look, well, actually no, the Bammer. Wait, the Bammer. Call me with that. Go on, mate. Do the phone when you go out. On the phone, mate. I'll get a right good shot if I do. This is the most amazing experience I've ever met. So guys, you're filming with that camera.
Really?
I would 100% love it if I took the people called Francis Bourgeois. Mom, send it to the... Mom, send it to the train club.
Yeah, I will. You just trying to
Oh, thank you. Thank you. Oh God, these things are very nice. I've got everything on board. And there it goes. Bye-bye. Well, bye-bye.